Oh my God, wow! Alright, any hippie can do this. I'll make it a little more dangerous, a little more interesting with some double spins. There we go, double spins. Twice spin, twice danger, twice chance of me getting hurt. Up behind my back. Behind my other back. Behind both my backs at the same time. Oh wow, he's actually pretty good. Oh, thanks over there, thank you. Hang on, it gets better, it gets better. I call this trick 2 years of my life. And judging my reaction, wait, look over there, wow. Seamless. There we go, 2 years of my life. Judging by reaction, I've wasted 2 years of my life. Come on, clap. There it is. Oh yeah, we're warming up. Here we go. But you guys want to see the tricky shit. Tricky shit goes like this. Goes like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Wait for it. Woo! 20 minutes.
Obviously, clap.
How does he do it? Why does he do it? What the hell am I doing, like, seriously? Woo! And finally, a pirouette in slow motion. And around this time, the audience usually loses it. Instead, I'll just enjoy this awkward silence we got going. Come on, lose it. Yeah! Alright, check it out, guys. Chainsaw juggling. This is my favorite trick in the whole world. I get up enough to ask you guys to leave. Okay, you know what you did. It's funny because I'm already leaving. Alright, chainsaw juggling. Why? Now this is a real chainsaw, yeah? It has a real chain. Real stupid! Alright? Should I tell the kids not to try this at home? Or should I just leave it up to natural selection? Natural selection, totally agree. Alright, chainsaw juggling coming right up in just a minute. Before I do that, I need to set up the finale of the show with the 7-foot unicycle. Alright, hey man, how you doing? Cool, what's your name, dude? Sean, welcome to the show, Sean. Hey, I'll grab your stuff, man. You don't want to leave it lying there. We're in Sydney, dude. Sorry, take time, hurry up. Sean, just put your stuff there for me. Where you from, man? Sydney. He's come all the way from Sydney just to be in my show. Thanks, dude. All right, Sean, guess you go here. All right, sweet. You're gonna help me get on this thing. Have you been drinking today, Sean? No, I have, so this could get a little bit crazy. Sean, welcome to your own city. I'm gonna leave this here, man. Alright, cool. Now, for the other part of my finale, also involves this here water balloon and this pole, alright? And I know what you're all thinking at this point. You're all thinking, how the hell is that guy still single? My parents are so proud, yeah? My mum, she thinks I'm a banker. Yes, I think that's what she called me. Yep, there we go, yep. Up, a few more here. You know what, could you just run around and explain that joke to the rest of these people? Like, it's like I'm doing comedy on this side, total freaking tragedy on this side. That guy over there looks like he wants to punch me in the face. It's alright, man. You can uncross your arms, man. No one's gonna steal your nipples, alright? This is a safe space for your nipples. Yeah, I'm just gonna tie this guy to this. Up. There we go. Alright. I know this is not making any sense whatsoever right now. It's actually a pretty cool trick. No one else in the world performs but myself. Well, wants to perform, for that matter. So, hey, it's still cool. It'll make sense at the end of the show, I promise you. It is a genuinely awesome trick. Alright. Sweet, there we go. Pole on a stick. Alright, can I borrow you? You're perfect. Yeah. Cool, what's your name? Maggie. She's from Quasar, yeah! Maggie, what's it? Maggie from Brisbane! Spicy. Alright, cool. Sweet. Maggie, you're gonna hold that. You're gonna help me with the finale, okay? Your job till then is if anyone runs through the show, like children, old ladies, cyclists, French people, get them. Sweet. Alright, cool. Sorry man, what's your name again? Sean. Now Sean can't actually do it, well, he probably could. Look at the size of this guy. I'm gonna use 2 people anyway. Sean can't actually do this alone. It actually takes 2 dudes to help me get up on this thing. So I need a kind of strong guy, a strong guy, a strong guy, a strong guy, a strong guy. You look like a strong guy. You wanna help us out, man? Cool. What's your name, dude? Nick. Everyone, make some noise for Nick.
Nick!
All right, Nick. That's Sean. Nope, it's awkward. Alright, you're gonna help me get on this thing, man. Alright, Nick, I'll get you to go 1 foot in front just like that, man. Sean, 1 foot behind. Sweet, Nick, 1 hand here. 1 hand up here. Sean, 1 there, and 1 there. Perfect. Alright, cool. That's the position we're going for. Just memorize that position. You can just hang out for now. Sweet, yeah, this is the chill. If anything goes wrong during the stunt, you can sue me and look at all this cool shit you'll get. Wow, amazing! Alright, here we go guys. Chainsaw juggling. Now, I'm not actually good enough to juggle the chainsaw with like machetes or fire or any crazy stuff like that, yeah? I'm a juggler, not freaking Jesus, okay? So I will do it with not 1, not even 3, but 2 juggling balls! Whoops. Sorry. It's a natural part of growing up. Wow, what a great audience. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, let's do this. Oh man. I'm honest with myself, it seems like a really bad idea to me as well. Alright, now when I juggle this thing, it's going to be running at full blast. Wow, this is going to be rad. Do you know why I do that, Nick? Because I'm a crazy mofo and I live by my own rules, yo. That's why. So, you guys, you have to go absolutely mental, yeah? I want to be able to hear you over that. Yeah? Cool. Woo. Alright. Let's do this before the cops get here. Not going back to jail, yeah? Hang on, gotta send it. Whoa, man. I think I shit myself a little bit. Alright, here we go guys. Time for the big finale of the show where I get on this guy. Now because this is street theatre, it has to be 10 times more dramatic than it actually is, yeah? So when I take a step, you guys all clap. 1 step, 1 clap. I'm gonna run around in a circle. I'm gonna come way back from over here. I'm gonna run, jump, leap. I'm gonna land right on that unicycle, yeah? Who thinks I can do it? Say yeah! Cool. Who thinks I can't do it? Me! There we go, whatever. Who just wants to see me fall and hurt myself? You bastards. Alright, let's do this. Okay, 1 more thing I need to do. Very, very important. Very important. There we go. That had no purpose whatsoever. I just felt like doing it, that's all. Alright, here we go. Everyone! 1 step, 1 clap. Go. What the hell? Everyone at the same time, not just the kids and drunk people, okay? Or the drunk kids. Dude, take your hand out of your pocket before you clap, otherwise you're gonna squish your balls. Yeah, take them out. Your hands, not your balls. Alright, everyone, 1 step, 1 clap, go, better. Keep going, go, go, clap, everyone can see you. Clap, clap, not you guys. you don't. Oh man. Faster! Louder! Everyone! Clap! 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 Ready? Go! What did you guys expect? Hey, I'm just gonna fix this up real quick. Cool. Here we go. Coming up. Rock and roll. Yeah. You don't shake it. Look, if you shake it, I get scared. All right. When I get scared, I'll pee myself. Yeah. Think about it. Hang on. Sorry guys, doesn't normally take this long. Normally I do is trick on grass, but this morning I ran out. Why are you laughing? You're not meant to get that joke, little kid. No, look, it's not my fault if your kids are laughing, okay? You're terrible parents. And now they're all laughing. That one's cracking herself laughing. Come this way a little bit. Totally forgot both of your names. Sean, Nick. Cool. Sorry guys, to see you adrenaline. Chainsaw juggling. Alright, come this way a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna sit down. Before I sit down, I need to get one thing straight. Here we go. Alright, Sean, Nick, here's what's gonna happen. Audience, we're gonna count down from 5. We're going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sean, Nick, when we get down to 1, you let go of the bike and you run like hell, yeah? But before you run like hell, let go of the bike first, okay? I know it might sound like a joke, but it happens. You'd be surprised, okay? All right, come a little bit back a little bit. All right, perfect. Okay, get you to remove your feet from the wheel. Okay, audience, are you ready to see something incredibly stupid? Yeah. How about the rest of you? That was the same people, but more louder. Come that way towards Sean. All right, cool. Alright, Sean, when you let go, could you run over there, grab those torches? You're going to throw them at my face, man. Yeah? Cool. Nick, you get to go back to your family if they're still there. Cool. Right, here we go. Everyone, counting 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out! You guys shake yourself. Check it out, I'm a total public nuisance! If you can't do this, you should be clapping! Yay! Alright, Sean, I'll get you to stand on the blood stain there from the last show. Perfect. It's just a joke, man. I cleaned it up. Alright, Sean, I'll get you to hold one torch in the middle, just like that, yep. No, like in the middle. Yeah, in the middle of the handle. Perfect. Alright, cool. Now it's a nice push. Okay, push. None of this shit. Happy throw. Killing throw. Yeah? Alright, wait. Aim for my hand, not my face. My hand, not here either. Yeah, Sean? Alright, cool. Sean, you ready? Throw the torch on free, you psycho. What the hell? No, you did good, man. That was good. Hang on, come back around. Sean, are we cool? Oh, sweet. Alright, cool. I so don't want to get in the fight with this guy. Look at it. Sean, that was a good throw, man. But if you do that again, this one's coming straight back. Alright? Alright, Sean, number 2. Come on, go. Go, don't be a pussy. Yay! Alright, last one. When I catch this last one, you all go nuts. Not for me, but for... Sean! Exactly. I love you, man. Alright, go! So much, man. You're an absolute legend. Awesome. Actually, can I get one more massive round of applause for all my volunteers that came out and helped me here today? Nick, Sean, and Maddie? Maggie. Yeah, I got it. Come on, guys, make some noise. Yeah. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. You guys are great. I can't do the show without them. I really appreciate it, yeah? You've been so patient, Maggie. Hey, Maggie, can I ask you to take a couple steps towards me? Yeah, sweet. Alright, a bit more. Yeah. Alright, right there, perfect. Alright, cool. So here's what's gonna happen now, guys. What I will do for the finale of my show here tonight in Darling Harbour, I will I will juggle these 3 dangerous objects on this unicycle. And then I'm going to come over to Maggie. And I'm going to whip crack that water balloon. And it's Maggie with the mystery liquid. Don't worry, Maggie, it'll be really funny for the rest of us, yeah? It's alright, I've done this with thousands of strange women all over the world. It's bound to work one day, okay? Are you cool? You good? Just shitting herself. Alright, here we go, guys. Rock and roll. Yay! Yeah! Alright, before I do this last stunt, guys, there's one thing I need to say to you all really quickly, and that's thank you. Thank you all for stopping to watch my show. It's been loads of fun, yeah? Give yourselves a big clap. Come on! Come on! Come on! Guys, I'm not going to undermine your intelligence. What you're witnessing here is busking street theatre Sydney style. Are you guys enjoying my little sun show? Yeah? Cool, I'm having loads of fun too. But the sad reality of what I do is no one pays me to be here but my awesome audiences. And suddenly no one's laughing anymore. Guys, at the end of the show, when I finish this stunt, I'll be standing right here with my hat proudly in my hand. And that's your cue to come forward with a donation. If you're wondering what to give a street performer 2018, the average donation is $50 each. No, I'm just hang on, stick around. I'm just joking, okay? I don't expect $50, but I do believe my show is worth a $10 note. $10 is a perfect donation for a show like this, of this caliber. These are world-class tricks, people. It's taken me a long time to learn, yeah? Think about it this way. If you go to any of these bars along here, you'll pay $10 for a pint of beer. I like to believe my show is as enjoyable as a pint of beer. If I did these tricks for you in a bar, you'd buy me a pint and you wouldn't think twice. I guarantee it. Guys, $10, awesome. Perfect donation. But if I made you laugh, if I made you smile, you'll throw in 20 and I'll go home even more happy. If you throw in 50, I'll go home the happiest man in Sydney. But if you throw in $100 or more, I'll go home with you and I'll make you happy. And I'll bring the whip, yeah? Now guys, if you don't have any money, that's cool. I don't remember giving you a speaking line, man. If you don't have any money at all, at the very least, come forward, shake my hand, say thank you, okay?
Sorry, my friend.
Guys, if you want to have a private conversation, go over there, yeah? We're in the theatre, okay? Photos off. Guys, if you don't have any money, at the very least, come forward, shake my hand, say thank you. Because that's the beauty of street theatre, yeah? It's here for everyone, rich or poor. That's what makes street theatre so damn special. Clap if you agree, yeah? Awesome. That's why I do this, guys. But guys, keep in mind, street theatre is a dying art. It's getting harder and harder to do this all around the world. Okay? Keep it alive, support it. Hopefully I've done enough for you to say I'm worth a couple of bucks, yeah? I'll leave it there. Enough about the money, let's do the trick, yeah? Rock and roll. Well, does anyone have a lighter? Anyone? Children, single mums? Anyone at all? Hey, cool. Throw it at my face. Does anyone have a wallet? Anyone? Just throw it at my face. It'll work one day. I'm gonna throw it back. If he catches it, everyone clap, scream, cheer, go nuts. But if he misses, everyone spit. No pressure. You ready, dude? Hey! Okay. Now let's try the big one. This is what untreated ADHD looks like, yeah? I'd do anything for attention, just look at me. Look at me! Come on, guys. All I need from you now is a slow hand clap. Everyone, clap, 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 clap. Everyone cheer! Yeah! Yeah. Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. We count down from 5. We go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. When I hit that, you all just go mental, yeah? Go absolutely nuts. Throw your kids in the air, climb the pole, take your shirts off, run around, jump in the harbour. Just go mental. This trick is so awesome that that man there will vomit upon its awesomeness. Here we go. Towards me a little bit. Yep, more. Way more. Stop. Perfect. You good? Here we go. Everyone, count 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, shit. Shut up, you can't do it. The sun got in my eyes. Alright, hang on, second time. Yeah! Come on! Everyone clapping! Everyone cheering! Make some noise! Yeah! Thank you so much, Maggie. You just locked that down there. Come on, give it up for Maggie. She's been awesome, yeah? Awesome, you did great. You can sleep with that. Cool. Alright, hey! Where do you think you're going? I can see you! Now guys, thank you so much. My name is Crash Metal. I come all the way from Sunshine Coast, Queensland. That was such a fun show. You guys have been a great audience. Don't spoil it now by walking away. Guys, at the very least, come forward and shake my hand, yeah? It costs nothing. Thank you all very much. Enjoy your night. Enjoy whatever it is you do. You may now come forward with your generous donations. Cheers, guys. Oh, man.
Thank you very much for watching this video and finding this tiny channel. So, see you in next video. Have a nice day.